you gonna pour it? Yes, good. 2 hands. 2 hands. You do it now. No, he won't.
Just leave it there.
I know you can do that.
Just leave it there and let
I'm
him.
gonna spill it.
Yeah.
You spill it. Jeremy. Quit watching the girl and watch your fast. Be careful.
No.
Don't spill it. Be careful. There you go, big boy. Yay! Careful.
Is it good Pepsi? Is it good Pepsi?
I do it. That's right. Uh-oh, careful.
Pepsi.
Did you get it wet that time?
You spilled?
Careful. There you go.